Yo, what's up, guys? Alright, what's up, guys? This is going to be Powerade tier list, alright? The fucking Powerade tier list. You see this shit? I'm in the garage. And I got the Powerades out. Look at that. So let's go ahead and see what we got. We got fucking Mountain Berry Blast. Fucking Lemon Lime. What is this one? Orange. Fucking Grape. Can't really see that, but it says grape. The last one, Fruit Punch. Alright. So I got my cup, and we're gonna rate these Powerades. Now I'm not doing the sugar-free ones or whatever, the zero sugar ones, because I'm not a fucking pussy. We're doing real Powerade right here. So we'll start with the Mountain Berry Blast. Oh yeah. Oh. Feel that. See that shit? It's blue. Blue like the sky. Alright, here we go. That's pretty good. Alright. Pretty good. Can't go wrong with blue Powerade. Alright. Yeah, this video is gonna be shit. So I really don't care. Like all my videos are. Alright, now we got, what was this one? Lemon Lime. Fucking Lemon Lime. We got Sprite Powerade. Should be good enough. Lemon Lime. That one's actually pretty good too. Alright, so these two are pretty good. I've had this one before. I think everyone's had the fucking blue Powerade. Like, come on now. But yeah. Now we got orange. We got fucking orange Powerade. Alright. This is like, what? Fanta? Fanta Powerade? There we go. We got Fanta Powerade. What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, I'm going for another one. No, I really don't want to. Actually, I have to. Oh my god. That's terrible. Holy shit. You see that? Orange Powerade? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Alright. We have to go on, like, fuck you. Alright, we got grape. Let's hope grape's good. Just hope fucking grape is good. Dude, it's like black. Kind of scared. It's kind of scary. Alright. That's a good. That one's pretty good. Pretty good. Not that bad. Alright. Now, I didn't even know this one actually existed. Fruit Punch Powerade. Like, I don't even think this one existed, but I saw it, so. By the way, these are all Powerades I just grabbed at Walmart. Like, these are all the flavors that they had, so. Yeah. I don't know if there's any other flavors that are, like, not non sugar, so. Hopefully it's not that bad. But we got fruit punch. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna drink that fucking orange one, but whatever. Drink fruit punch. That's shit. It it doesn't really have a taste. Like, you can kind of like taste the fruit punch, but it's non-existent. Like, I don't know. It didn't really have a taste. So, yeah. All right, those are the Powerades. I'm gonna go fucking put them in a tier list. So I'll be on the computer. Ho. All right, we're back. So we got the Powerades back in here. I just found a random tier list. Yeah. So we got everything egg shaped. That's cool. So, all right, let's just start in order, I guess. So we did the blue one. Blue. Let's see. We'll put blue at A, dude. Pretty solid. Pretty solid flavor. Not too bad. And it's just iconic. Like, that's the main fucking flavor. Pretty solid. Which one was next? There's two greens. There's also a pink and a white. I guess that's cherry, and I don't know what that one would be. I don't know. What would this be? Like, just lime? I have no idea. But yeah. Let's just... I think this was the one, the lemon lime one. So, easy. Fucking S. That one was pretty good. That was a pretty good Powerade. If you disagree, you're a fucking idiot. Lemon lime Powerade was actually really good. It had good flavor and really good taste. Come on now. Alright, next was... Oh, wow. Look who it is. That's a fucking D. D for dick. Because it's fucking trash. Are you fucking kidding? Orange Power. Like, are you fucking kidding me right now? Orange fucking Powerade? That was terrible. Like, Fanta's good. But this is trash. Are you fucking kidding me, man? I don't even want to talk about that. Alright, which one's next? Grape? Put at A. Grape was really good. It actually wasn't that fucking bad, so we'll leave it there. It was a solid fucking flavor. Last one was, I think, yeah, fruit punch. See, it had no fucking flavor. Like, it barely had any flavor. You can barely taste like the fruit punch flavor. Other than that, it's just flavorless. Like, it was kind of disappointing. And I'm not, like, a big fan of fruit punch. Like, I'm okay with it, but this was just bad. So, here's the tier list, guys. This is my official Powerade tier list. No one gets B, but we got an S, 2 A's, a C, and a D. So, if you're gonna get Powerade, I would recommend these 3 flavors. Don't waste your money on these, especially on fucking orange. So yeah. Thank you. And I guess that's the end of the video. So if you like the video, leave a like, comment on what's your favorite Powerade flavor, because I would like to know. Let me know if these ones are good. Like, whatever that other green one is, these pink one and the white one. Pretty sure that's cherry. I don't know what these two would be. But yeah, leave a like. Let me know
what your favorite Powerade is, what these flavors are, and yeah, subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace!